How to install SAS Eurobonus World Mastercard app. So just tap Get and then you will be able to install it. Yes, this card has a separate app, which is pretty cool. The app shows your balance, rewards, transaction, and invoices, a tool for smarter handling of everyday life. Get notifications of important events, purchases, or if you have reached your spending limit. You can also get notifications of updated exchange rates when traveling. So yeah, just log in with your PIN, and with installment payment, you can quickly see what a larger purchase costs to split up in several months if you use your SAS Eurobonus Mastercard as a means of payment. So just quick overview, you can see card services, view card details, and then you can just open it up and then you can just select your country. And then yeah, you can just log in here as you want, and yeah, as you can see, this app is only available in these regions, and yeah, that's basically the process. Or you can just log in via SMS. So it's mostly for Scandinavian countries, so that's basically the idea.